Hey there. So today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when dealing with data in multiple sheets. The issue at hand is consolidating quantities for each part number across all sheets. Imagine having to manually sum up quantities for each part number across multiple sheets. Talk about a tedious problem, right? But fear not, because I've got a nifty solution for you that involves leveraging the power of Office 365. Now, let's talk about the solution to this data conundrum. With the Office 365 capabilities, we can utilize the toCol function with a 3D reference to gather all the relevant data from multiple sheets. The code provided uses the let function to define variables and execute operations. In this specific case, we are using the groupby function to group the data by the part number and sum up the quantities associated with each part number. It's a neat way to streamline the process and get those totals efficiently. Pretty cool, huh? Continuing with our exploration of the solution, if you happen to be working with Excel 365 but don't have access to the groupby function, fret not. The alternative approach involves using the unique, filter, and sum functions to achieve the desired result. By first creating an array of unique part numbers and then iterating through them to filter and sum the quantities, you can effectively obtain the consolidated totals. It's all about working smart with the tools at hand to simplify complex tasks. In summary, we've delved into a practical solution for consolidating quantities for each part number across multiple sheets using the powerful features of Office 365 or Excel 365. By harnessing functions like groupby or a combination of unique, filter, and sum, you can efficiently streamline your data processing tasks and save valuable time. So go ahead, give it a try, and witness the magic of efficient data consolidation in action. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy excelling!